Alright, let's start with the ingredients. For the dough, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of instant yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then you'll need 3/4 of a cup of warm water, around 110 degrees Fahrenheit or 43 degrees Celsius, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now, for the crispy topping, you'll need 1 tablespoon of water for brushing, and optionally, 1 tablespoon each of sesame seeds and poppy seeds. First, prepare the dough. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, yeast, salt, and sugar. Gradually, add the warm water and olive oil, mixing until a dough forms. Then, knead the dough on a floured surface for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Now, for the first rise. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it with a damp cloth, and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. Next, shape the rolls. Punch down the dough and divide it into 8 equal pieces. Shape each piece into a ball and place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Second rise. Cover the rolls with a damp cloth and let them rise for another 30 minutes. Preheat oven. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. Add toppings. Just before baking, lightly brush the tops of the rolls with water. If desired, sprinkle sesame or poppy seeds on top. Bake in the preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until the rolls are golden brown and crispy on the outside. Cool! Remove from the oven and let cool on a wire rack. Enjoy! Serve these crispy bread rolls warm with butter, dips, or as a side to your favorite meals.